Hello, people. After so long, I'm doing a shooting of this video, and today I went and I've got this whole. I, um, you know, I'm looking all so nice. I spent literally half the day at a beauty parlor, and just now I was reading this article where Jhanvi Mehta, the daughter of Juhi Chawla, is doing so well, and she's just 17. So it's very inspiring, that we would think someone who's a celebrity and their kids would be just exposed to this high society, and what would they know about studying. But apparently the child is, she's among the top 10 in her school or in her class or something. So I think it's remarkable. So I've always been a Juhi Chawla fan. So congratulations, Juhi Chawla ma'am, for having such a brilliant daughter, and full credit to the parents and to Jhanvi Mehta herself, because I think somewhere all of us have this responsibility towards towards being the best that we can be. And I think both Juhi Chawla and Juhi Chawla ma'am and her daughter, and in fact her whole family, proves this, that if we are sincere, we can work miracles. So this feels so good. I'm wearing a little black dress as I'm recording all this. This is a first for me, so it feels good. It feels special. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.